Locating jams and appropriate clips, lay out and install clips to jam.
To prepare your building for jam installation, hold jam to the underside of your wall girt, aligning clip to pre-punched wall girt holes. Mark and bend stiffener lip to wall girt to allow jam to install flush with your girt. Using a level and clamp, secure jam clip wall girt and level the jam in order to mark the base for anchor bolt connections. Remove jam to drill anchor bolt holes into concrete. Clear the dust from in and around the holes. Install jam, attaching at wall girt and foundation. For a wall girt connecting to a framed opening jam, this is a screwed connection. This clip will attach directly to the stiffener lips of the jam as shown. Your wall girt will then attach to the clip. Depending on building design, your drawings may require clip to attach to web of jam, view plans, and details. For header and/or sill connections, or in the event of a wind-rated roll-up door, additional framing may be required. See plans.